Established in 1786, Russell County prides itself on being the heart of Southwest Virginia. Residents say that's because 7 other counties touch Russell County's borders, with Russell right in the middle. The region is also part of Southwest Virginia's coal belt, and mining was the top industry there for more than a century. That's changed in recent years.
Agriculture is our #1 economic business that we have within the county. As far as economic development and agriculture, we're ranked 9th in the state for agriculture as a county.
But even within the agriculture sector, many farmers have had to shift their focus to different products, prompted by timing, regulations, and laws, as well as shifting consumer demands. Beef cattle is now the top farm sector.
We lost the federal tobacco program, and all the tobacco acreage is now pretty much gone, and people have transitioned more to the cow-calf stocker business.
Zach KETRON raises 225 head of cattle on his property. He's been in agriculture all his life, and there are certain aspects of the job that keep him interested.
Primarily the lifestyle, far from lucrative, but enjoyed the lifestyle and raising the family here on the farm, and yeah, just have a passion for what I do.
Russell County has a total of 918 farms, with the average size 185 acres. The market value of all agricultural products is $23,204,000. For livestock, cattle and calves accounted for $19,692,000. Sheep, goats, wool, mohair, and milk came in a distant second at $339,000. Outside of livestock, hay and other crops came in at $1,796,000, while grains and soybeans accounted for $521,000. The transition from coal to agriculture as the leading economic force in the county is spurring leaders to put a new emphasis on agriculture education.
In 2014 and 15, Russell County Farm Bureau began to work with the superintendent of schools and the school board and the board of supervisors to reinstate agriculture classes at Lebanon High School. The other 2 classes had agriculture. Also, we were able to get a horticulture class at the Russell County Career and Technology Center.
ALYSHA LAWLESS teaches horticulture at the Russell County Career and Technology Center, a vocational school where students literally get their hands dirty learning about plant life. They also learn a lot about operating a small business.
The students do all the work, 100%. They start from the beginning, from when the plant comes in as a tiny little plug or a seed, and they grow it and market it all the way up until it walks out the door into someone else's garden. So it teaches them a lot about community, also about the business aspect of things, and they run it. I just stand back and watch.
Sarah Blevins teaches agriculture at the high school level in the county.
We've been focusing on animal science in the fall mainly, and now we're kind of transitioning to get our greenhouse going and start to do some gardening and vegetables.
Andy Smith of Smithfield Farms has 340 head of beef cattle and is under no illusions about what it takes to succeed in his field. A profitable farm economy is just one step to success in this rural community.
Agriculture is a tough business. I mean, if it was easy, anybody would be involved in it. And so I think we got to continue to face challenges. One big one is generational transfer of land, because the average age of the U.S. farmer is 60 years old, and so getting that land to the next generation and getting the next generation that wants to be in this job is going to be key.
In 2005, Russell County beef producers found a way to add more value to their stock by participating in the Virginia Quality Assured Marketing Program, a partnership sponsored by the Virginia Cattlemen's Association. It's a collaboration of cattle producers, extension staff, the Virginia Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services, and other stakeholders to certify participants' cattle are top quality animals and worthy of a competitive price. The marketing group is a great example of farmers working together to boost their income.
And it's grown to one of the largest programs in the state. Last year we marketed 127 tractor trailer loads with Russell County and our fellow counties around that are members of the Abingdon Feeder Cattle Association. That includes Scott, Russell, Washington, and Smith, Tazewell, some of the counties through the Coalfield, Wise, and Dickinson. So we have several participants in that program that are our core group. And since then, we've sold almost 70,000 weaned and vaccinated calves. That's added a value of $6.3 million to the total gross of the cattle that were sold.
The people of Russell County are proud to have agriculture play the dominant role in their economic and cultural lives. It hasn't always been an easy transition from coal, but like other counties in the region, they have found a way to succeed.
You just drive along through the hills, you see all the farmland and the way it's managed. People take pride in what they produce.
In Russell County, Virginia, I'm Burke Moeller reporting.